Hi everyone, welcome. Today it's stationery time. Today we have here a Kinbor planner covers, and for the first cover that I'm gonna share with everyone is a Sakura slash cherry blossom cover, and this one is actually open, but I just put it back so that it would be protected. And this one is the A6 size. It does have an A5 size, but since I wanted a portable one, I did get the A6 size instead. But I also really wanted a A5 size. And this one, the sakura blossoms or the cherry blossom itself is actually stitched. Here's the back, and as you can see, the front is really pretty, like full of sakura blossoms. And I like how there's a light shade of pink and a darker shade of pink. And inside this cover, it does have a notebook included already, and this notebook will show it to you later. And here is the side pockets. It can hold cards or any paper notes, and here's the bookmark page. And if you don't use the bookmark page, like, I would just put it inside or I will cut it, but for me I do use the bookmark page a lot. And here is the notebook that is included in the book cover, or I mean the planner cover. And not gonna be opening this notebook since I'm still not gonna be using this planner cover yet. And I'm gonna share with you the second one, which is what I have already used, and I really love it. That's why I did bought the Sakura Cherry Blossom one. And this one is the Cat's Cafe. And the same thing, when I don't use my planners, I do put them inside the bag so that it will be protected. And this one, it's also stitched, but not everything is like the other images on the side is printed, or like it's, I don't really know, but it's like a press on, not really stitched. Only the letters are stitched and the cut itself. But nonetheless, it is really pretty, and this cover did hold up. This one is about 3 years old, and this one is a PU leather, I believe. And here you can put some things on the side, and here is the bookmark. And I really like the bookmark of this Cat's Cafe as well. Really pretty. And here we do have the Cat's Cafe coffee on the back. Like coffee, cats, animals, like that's for me, and I really love them. And here we do have the notebook that was included in this book cover, or I mean the planner cover. Inside, these Kinbor notebooks are really smooth, not too thick, not too thin. Like, they have a different paper from their weekly planner. It's not super glossy as their weekly planner. And this one, actually, I did remove or put a white on the top so that the lettering on the top wouldn't be seen. And of course, I did not end up using this notebook yet, since I do have this postcard, really lovely postcard. Since I do have another notebook that I was using for this one before that one, and here's the comparison side by side. As you can see, I really like this, like, cafe theme, like very subtle theme, and a very girly theme. And the Cat's Cafe one, do you like the Cat's Cafe version, or do you like the Cherry Blossom one? For me, I cannot choose. Like I just really like them. And here, this one is a pretty plain notebook for the Cats Cafe, but I do plan on decorating this notebook so that it will be like a scrapbook. And here for a refill, I do have the refills because the ones that I do actually use is the refills. We do have this A6 size and they do have different kinds of refill. Like they do have a grid, a dotted. The pink one is the dotted version and the yellow one is the grid. And they do have the A5 size as well, which have a dotted and a grid one, and they have a lot of papers to choose from, formats to choose from. And I did buy these refills depending on the color of my planner cover. And here's the A5 size. Like this one, this is my second A5 size that I have used, and so far they are really good. Like I tried these three kinds of refill. These are my favorite kind of refills. I don't really like the brown one, so I ended up just going with the green, pink, and yellow. And since they have different kinds of format inside them, and here is the A6 planners, and we do have here the weekly planners. Of course, these weekly planners of Sanrio, the Pochaco, they actually do have a version of it on the A6 size book covers as well. But the planners itself, like the weekly planners, you could also buy a cover for them. Like for me, as you can see, the theme going on. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.